So guys, if you want to create such a complex facing animation DeFi render, here I'm gonna help you. So I will teach you complete tutorial. So first guys, you have to open a SketchUp and create a model. Then here you can see that all model that I have created in an individual group. Every model are in a individual group. Here you can see that like a covered cabinet or every single piece of interior elements must be in a group. Okay. Here you can see that this is also in a single group. Okay, so if your model is done, then here you have to use this option. Just click here and select these two options and then click over export option. Okay, now you have to go on a d5 render guys, and you have to click over import option and you have to import that exported file. Okay, so just select this option and then click over open option. Okay, now here, yeah, your model is added over here, so just click here and drag over the screen and again click to visible on D5 render screen. Now here you can see that all model are just imported as a group. So there is a group and inside that group also a subgroup like a flooring tile have a single group, and that group there is a multiple flooring tile subgroup. Okay. Now here you have to set a lights and a materials. So guys, here I have applied all the materials on selected group model and I have added a 3D model. So just click over the video option and then you have to add a clip over here. And this is our first clip. Okay. And again, rotate the camera angle and then add another clips over here. Okay. So here I have added two clips, clip 1 and clip 2. Okay. And you can play to preview the animation of clips. Okay. Now guys, here I have select the time. So just I am typing 8 second. Okay, so all duration will be 8 second. And now this 8 second clip, we will add a fashing animation options. Okay, to add a fashing animation, we have to now click over template guys. Okay, and select a animation type. Okay, so just select the animation type and just I'm selecting a floor and then clicking over done option. Now here you can see that I have adjusting a length of duration of this face animation option. Okay. Now again click over template option, select the fetching animation type. Now I have to select the tile. So here you can see one tile is selected. Just select upper group, this one. Okay. And then click over done option. Now second fetching animations added. Now we have to adjust and replay to preview. Same thing you have to do with other group object and 3D models and lights. Now guys, here you can see that all facing animation clip are generated. Here you can select the resolution of the video, call it like 4K, maximum 4K to 8K. Okay, here I am selecting a full HD 1080 option. Okay. Now guys, you have to click on render button to generate a render video. Okay, just have to save over a selected folder. Now guys, after click over save button, it will take a couple of minutes to create your video, depends on your resolution. Okay, so here is the final results. So guys, if you really enjoying my video, Please share, subscribe, and like. Thanks for watching, guys. Have fun. See you next tutorial. Thank you.